I am Alisha from Kerala. First of all, I thank ACT family and June ma'am for the wonderful webinar. Our topic was social emotional learning for young learners. That was a very relevant and unavoidable topic while considering the young learners. Creating a self-supporting and empathizing attitude in children is one of the methodology I like most in the section. where June ma'am took wonderful webinar and we got valuable information regarding social emotional learning for young learners. The topic was very informative and experiencing for me. Thank you and have a nice day.